can vlog.
Morning everyone. So today is April 27th, which is King's Day in the Netherlands, and King's Day is always a very lively event, to say so. But I did celebrate King's Day for the last 2 years and it was actually really fun. I went to one festival here in Rotterdam the first year I lived here, and then last year I went to Kingsland in Amsterdam. Highly recommend. But I'm not someone who likes crowds too much, and I feel like if you have a situation like King's Day or the national holiday in your country, you can probably relate that it's just a lot of people that are kind of drunk and extra patriotic, and I don't know, it's not really my thing. So today my friends and I decided that we're gonna not celebrate King's Day and instead just take King's Day for what it is, which is a nice day off. And yeah, we're just gonna have some fun, so I'll see you guys there.
This way, it's more fun because it's just with friends, cozy, nice. So that's the way we do it.
Well, 1 hour ago, we ordered the chicken. Let's just call it the chicken. And then after 20 minutes, they finished all their stuff. I didn't have my chicken, so we ordered again. And then after half an hour, we were like, can I ask for my chicken? And there was no chicken. So they said, I'm gonna get it. 45 minutes later, we asked again, can I have the chicken? So she's gonna get it for us. And then finally we get the chicken. And this is the chicken.
Now we're not working for time asking for it.
That's incredible.
I'm sorry, my condolences. And then just drive. Oh, Lena, great, you can vlog.